Did you know the coffee in your hand and a smoker's cigarette break are secretly doing the same job in completely opposite ways, keeping the human brain productive? For thousands of years, humans have leaned on two small molecules to push through long, demanding days of work: caffeine and nicotine. Both are natural stimulants pulled from plants, yet inside the brain and body they behave in almost opposite ways. Let's start with caffeine, the most widely consumed stimulant on the planet, found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks. When you drink coffee, caffeine blocks a brain chemical called adenosine, the one responsible for making you feel drowsy as the day goes on. With adenosine out of the way, your adrenal glands release adrenaline gradually, giving your muscles and focus a slow, steady lift rather than a sudden spike. That gradual build is exactly why caffeine feels less like a jolt and more like a rising wave of energy that carries you through your tasks. And it doesn't fade quickly. Caffeine can stay active in your bloodstream for 5 to 6 hours after that first sip. That's almost the length of a full work shift, which explains why coffee cups have become permanent fixtures on office desks around the world. Now let's turn to nicotine, a compound found naturally in tobacco leaves and used by people for centuries. Nicotine behaves very differently from caffeine. Scientists call it biphasic, meaning it can stimulate and relax the body within the same short window. In its first phase it sharpens alertness and concentration almost like caffeine, but it then eases into a calmer, more relaxed mental state. That stimulate-then-relax combination is precisely why short breaks built around nicotine became a common rhythm on factory floors and in busy offices for generations. But nicotine's window is far shorter than caffeine's, typically lasting only around 2 hours before its effects wear off. That short, powerful effect is also exactly why nicotine products are legally restricted to adults 21 and older, since the body can adapt to them quickly. So here's the bigger picture. Caffeine slowly fuels physical stamina, while nicotine blends quick stimulation with mental calm, two very different tools solving the same problem. That balance between physical drive and mental steadiness is why both substances have quietly followed human work across centuries, from early workshops to modern offices. Different cultures even built entire rituals around this need: a coffeehouse gathering in one country, a tea pause in another, a smoke break on a loading dock elsewhere. In the end, the real question isn't which stimulant is better, it's how much of either one your own body truly needs to stay sharp without tipping into overuse. So how many cups of coffee, or how many short breaks, does it actually take for you to stay focused today? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more science-backed facts about everyday habits.